What's the meaning of broadleaf? Broadleaf. Broadleaf.
Broadleaf. Broadleaf. Broadleaf refers to a type of plant with leaves that are relatively wide and flat, as opposed to narrow and needle-like leaves found on conifers. These plants typically have broad, flat leaves that are deciduous, meaning they shed their leaves annually. Broadleaf plants can be found in a variety of environments, from forests to grasslands and even in aquatic habitats. They play an important role in ecosystems by providing food, shelter, and habitat for wildlife. In gardens and landscaping, broadleaf plants can add color and texture to outdoor spaces, making them popular choices for ornamental purposes.